Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 304 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Amuse Tattoo Lip Stain OMG Long Lasting Peel Formula that I got from ShopMissA, and this seems like such an interesting product. I have this in the shade called Hot Barbie Stain, but it comes in 6 different shades. I've got it from ShopMissA.com, so it's only $1. It's cruelty free, and I am so excited to try this out. I've never tried anything like this before. In all 304 days of trying a new makeup product every day, and all of the makeup I've ever tried in my life, I've never done a peel off lip stain. I've honestly never even seen these before. I was contemplating looking up videos on this, but I didn't because I wanted this to be like a true first impression trial. Online, they didn't even have like instructions really on how to do this, so I'm just gonna wing it, but I'm really excited to try it. So I know that oh gosh, it's coming out. It's a gel formula. Why is it coming out like this? Okay, it's like overflowing. Oh gosh. This is really thick. It's so stringy. Oh. It's making my lips stick together. Ew. Okay. Just going for it. It's very cold. I want to keep it very precise because I don't want it to stain outside of my lips. Oh my gosh, it just stained my fingers. And apparently it stains for hours. And it's feeling very cold on my lips. Ew. I got it on my teeth. It tastes bad. Oh my gosh. Please don't stain my teeth. I've been working really hard to whiten these things. I have no idea how long this is going to take to dry. This is really uncomfortable. It's all over my teeth. Well, I have an idea that this is going to stain really well because my fingers are really stained. Okay, it's not even like fully dry, but it's peelable. So I'm just gonna like I'm like trying to rub it off. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. This is the weirdest thing I've ever put on my lips. I'm having a really hard time removing all of it. So maybe I should have left it on for longer, but it had been a few minutes. Like, that's a long time. It's a lip exfoliator as well, I guess. Okay, I did my best. Maybe I should have left it on for longer. If you know, please let me know in the comments down below any feedback you have on this product. But it really did stain my lips a beautiful color. It is like a nice bright pink, but also just like a tint, just a stain. Pretty natural, wearable. You can definitely tell that I have color to my lips, but it's not like a dramatic effect. So after all of that, I'm actually really happy with this result right now. Well, let's do a kiss test and see the transfer. Yeah, no transfer. So that's what I love. I love that I have this natural, beautiful, I feel like pretty flattering color that's going to last for hours and hours, it claims. So even though this was so strange to apply, it's kind of fun, a little bit time consuming for a lip product, but I kind of feel like it's worth it. And this is only $1. And it resulted in a very even color too. I really thought this was going to result in a disaster, but it all worked out. I'm so excited about this. I'm definitely going to continue to wear this. I could see myself using this like as I'm getting ready, applying this first, doing the rest of my makeup, really letting it dry, and then removing it and having this perfect stain to last all day. I was also a little bit worried that this would look like I had just like eaten a popsicle or something and just stained my mouth from food, but I do feel like luckily it doesn't look like that. It does just look like a wash of color. I love finding weird products like this, especially when they're pretty successful. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.